This world's got an awful lot of people. You turn around and one more's being born. But in this world of oh so many people, I'm so grateful you are mine and I am yours. You brighten every room that you walk into. You still glow. If you did not exist, I'd feel you missing. It's a fact, you fill the gap inside my soul. And on your birthday, I can't help but shout it out upon the hill. And this world's a better place because of you, I gotta say. So happy birthday, I love you and I always will. Shout it out upon the hill. This world's a better place because of you, I gotta say. So happy birthday, I love you and always will. Little 5
Aberdeen, hindi sila maigi yan. Yan, yung sa heto, nakita ko kahapon. Hindi sila maigi yan. Opo kayo dyan. Pwede kayo mo po. Dito statue dance. Sige. Opo kayo, opo kayo. Opo. Opo. Sitting. Okay, right. Yeah. This one's for you, Kim. This one's for you, Jeremy. This one's for, what's your name? Princess. That's a nice name, Princess. Ayan, CJ. Ayan, alright. Sige, gagawa na tayo ng logo. Alright, alright. Relax tayo. Alright. Kailangan mahulaan niya. Okay. D. What? Starts with the letter P. Starts with the letter P, ha? Papi, dati siyang papi. Ayan, lumaki na siya. Ano na siya? Ha? Starts with the letter P. It's a... papi siya. Dati siyang papi. Okay. Wow! Who said poodle? Very good. Patalino to. Parang ako to. Okay, alright. This one is yours, Princess. Yan. Wow! Cute-cute naman ang balon na yan. Parang ako. Alright, okay. Tignan natin. What is your name? Ha? Eternity? Ederlyn. Ako ka na? Ako tayo si Ederlyn. Ayan, ito. Ederlyn. Ayan. Alright. Okay. Our next balloon. Wow, ganda naman ang kulay na ito. Alright. Eat na animal pero may malalaki silang tenga. These are animals with big ears. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It starts with the letter R. Very good. You're very matalino, huh? Just like me. Okay, very good, very good. Is it a rabbit? What's another name for rabbit? Wow! Ang cute naman ng rabbit na to. Wow. Who wants the rabbit? Sino pumalakpak? Ano ba? Kayo po ba'y pumalakpak? Wow! Teka, di po, meron po yung pinakabata. Tingnan natin. Dito, kakulay na damit niyo. How old are you? 12 years old. Very good. Bata. Alright, our next balloon. This one is normally used, well, dito na. Ano pa na to? Is normally found under the sea. Yeah. Lumalangoy siya all day. Lumalangoy, ha? Very good. What kind of fish? Ha? Goldfish. Pwede. Okay. Goldfish na ba yan? Tingnan natin. Is it a fish? I think it's a fish. Very good. Who wants the fish? Espada. What's espada in English? Very good. What's espada in Spanish? Oh, yeah. Ito. Panahon na po nila. Minsan, pinagagalang sila. It starts with the letter M. In Tagalog, it starts with the letter P. In Chinese, it starts with the letter M. In Chinese, it starts with the letter M, yes. Bahay, ganyan. Minsan, you keep them in a small cage. They're very small. They start with the letter M. Maliit lang siya na animals. Mouse. Who said mouse? Very good. Is it a mouse? I think it's a mouse. Mickey Mouse. Who said Mickey Mouse? Very good. Wow, ang cute naman ang mouse na yan. Parang ikaw. Alright. Wow. Who wants the mouse? I think I'm gonna give the mouse to CJ. There you go, CJ. Alright. Our next balloon. Sige, ito. This one is for our celebrant. Yeah. Who's celebrating her birthday today? Huh? Jana. Where's Jana? Very good. Hi, Jana. Alright, I think we're gonna give this to Jana. Jana. This one's special made for Jana. Alright. Gory, okay ka na ba yan? Okay, alright. Bago. Ayan. Ayan na. Ayan na. Pinaka-nata. Hallelujah! Amen! Cute naman ang padot na animal. Alright, who wants this cute little puppy? This one's for our celebrant. Ayan. 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 Okay. Ayos. Okay. Pwede po ba anak? Siya na sa mabigil. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Ayos. Pwede po pakidala dito si Jana sa bandang harap. Ayan. Po tayo sabihin natin. Happy birthday, Jana. At the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay lang saan po natin. Kung hindi magsasabi na happy birthday, hindi kakain. Alright? Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3! Okay, lahat kayo kakain. Alright, palakpakan naman natin si Jana. Happy birthday, Jana. Alright. Good morning, everybody. Ako nga pala ito, beautiful mommy ni Jana. Palakpakan natin si Mommy Ina. Ayan. Alright, thank you very much, Mommy. Thank you very much, Jana. Alright, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. My name is Tito Alex. What's my name again? Tito Alex. Yeah, hindi Tito Aga, ha? Ayan, kakawin ko lang yun. Alright, so we're gonna be starting off our party. We're gonna be having games. Who wants to play games? Raise your hands. Very good. And who wants to see a magic show? We're gonna have a magic show later. You guys want to see a magic show? Alright, okay, lahat ng mga kids. Alright, stand up. Sige. Okay, lahat ng mga kids, halika dito. Bigyan niyo muna yung balloons niyo sa mga girls sa daddy niya. Alright. Everybody, little girls, halika dito. Alright. Oh, tulong game na tulong. Lahat ng little girls dito. Okay, alright. Okay. Asan yung mga girls? Okay. Dito, ayan, elderly, dito kayo. Saka si, yung isang hawak pa na bata. Tali din siya para mag-ayo. Pwede siya sumali. Asan na ba yung mga bata? Okay, alright. Ayan. Ayan, sila, tita, si, at pangalan. Pwede po sila sumali. Sumali po. Ninyo o nila, yun ang mananalo. Yung merong pinaka-konti, kaya kailangan itapon yung lahat ng Spanish sa kabila, ha? Set! Go! Alright, go! Come on! Alright, go! Alright. 55 seconds. 55 seconds. Hala! Bila! Kaisa! Sige! Wala namang kasa! Kahit itapon na sa buo, wala problema. Seconds. 45 seconds. Ayan, wala lang. Alright. 40 seconds. 40 seconds, 40 seconds. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, 30 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop throwing. Okay, we're gonna count that. Bibilangin natin. Remember, yung merong pinaka-konti na Spanish na natitira sa side nila, yun ang mananalo. Tingnan natin kung ilang Spanish na natitira sa side ng boys. Tingnan natin kung ilang natitira sa Spanish sa girls. Tingnan natin, ha? Bilangin natin. Napakarami natin. Sige, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ito ba? 13? 7. We have a winner. Ang winner natin ay? Girl! Palakpakan po natin ang mga girls. Ayan, wow. Nalaki naman ang prize. Bigyan mo kami sa prize para sa yung sa kasama niya siya. Ayan. This one's for you. Ayan. This one's for you, princess. This one's for you. Alright. And since na-serve na po yung food, we're gonna take a break. Kakain po muna tayo. Alright, kakain po muna tayo, everybody. We're gonna take a short break. Afterwards, we're gonna resume. three persons, pwedeng bata, pwedeng matanda, pwedeng bata, isip, okay na. Alright? So, pero for the first three persons na magdadala ng items that I'm gonna ask, bibigyan natin ng prizes. Alright? Ready? Okay. Mommies, daddies, get ready to tulungan po ninyo inyong mga anak. Well, you know, but if you want to go over here and bring the item yourself, wala akong problema. Alright. Ready? First one. Okay, remember yung unang tatlo lang ha, na nakakapunta dito. First one. Tito Alex wants you to bring me. Bring me a cell phone. Cell phone! One for you. One for you. Okay, there you go. Science na science lang. Ang paborito ko. Masaya si Toto. Inspired ka, no? Ay, akin ka na. Bring me! Tito Alex wants you to bring me a credit card. Credit card! Credit card! Alright, next one. Tito a red lipstick. Red lipstick, come on, come on. Lipstick na kulay pula. Come on, red lipstick. Does anybody have red lipstick? Come on, red lipstick. Okay, one for you. Dami na na. There you go. Bring me five. Queso. Queso today. Five. Handsome. Daddies, titos, or kuyas. Daddies or titos or kuyas. One. Apat pa. Two. Three. Dalawa pa. Daddy, dalawa. Dito. Halika, kayo yung panlina. Ayan, halika po kayo dito. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng premium. Ayan. At sa nila premium natin, bigyan mo nila medyo. Ayan, medyo na gamit. Ito. Nandito na naman. Ano po kayo ng price? Kaya, ayaw nyo ata ng price eh. Dito po kayo. Ito, bigyan ka na. Hindi po ito cellphone scam. O kaya kung ano scam. Totoo po ito. Dito muna po kayo. Dito po kayo. Totoo po. O, dyan po na kayo. Ayan, sige. Ganito po Ayan. Usun po kayo konti para po nadali ako. Daddy Rudy. Daddy Ren. Ren? Ray. Daddy Ray. R.E.I. Rere. Daddy Rere. Ronald. ulitin ko lang po, Daddy Nel, Daddy Ronald, Daddy Rene, Daddy Ray, Daddy Rudy. Daddy Rudy. Daddy Rudy, I hope you don't mind, no? Pwede po bang ipakita ninyo sa mga kaibigan, kamag-anak, kung gaano po kayo ka-macho. Okay lang po ba? Pakita niyo po sa kanila lahat kung sino yung boss pagdating sa loob ng bahay. Kaya po kayo yan. Kaya, syempre ako talaga lang. Okay, pa. Nakatibayan niya yung yung talaga, macho. Macho, parang leon, nakatiba. Dati hindi po ba ulam? Leon po, leon. Okay lang. Okay po, Daddy Ray. Both hands, dalawang kamay. Okay. Daddy Ray. Pakita mo kung sino boss sa loob ng bahay. Okay. Daddy Raymond. Donald, Daddy Donald. Uy, medyo lang. Ilan po kasi ng boss mo. Sisid lang eh, no? Tutuwa naman ito. Binasa ng mga dami sila dito sa harap natin. Ayan. Kaso hindi po yun ang game. Practice lang eh. Daddy Ray, nagtatago po yun eh. Kapag ka nasa gitna eh. Okay. Ang susunod po natin game at pagkaw dito ay ano ito? Soft drinks. Soft drink drinking contest. Ano ba sa soft drinks? Ito na. Okay na, ito na. Thank you. Thank you. Okay na, wala na akong maibigay na ito. Nabusa tayo baso? Hindi, okay na. Ito na. Yan, magkakailangan po tayo. Macho, ha? Okay. Sige po, pakitanggalin po yung cup. Pakitanggalin po yung cup. Ayan. Daddy Rudy, parang hindi ka sanay. Sige na, tanggalin ba niya? Ayan. Okay, alright. Sige, pakitanggal po yung cup. Ayan. Okay. Kaya ganyan po, tanggal po. Ayan. Tanggal po talaga. Okay. Ayan, Daddy, raise the battlefield like this. Ayan. Taas niyo po ganyan. And in all macho-ness, please repeat after me, ha? Gamitin po niyo yung macho. Remember, you're the boss. Ito naman. Ako na nag-focus. Ako man ako idapit yan. Okay, Daddies, raise it like that. Please repeat after me po. Sabay-sabay po kayo at the same time. Pagkatapos ko. We! Yung po, macho ba kayo? Macho, yung malakas. We! Parang totoo. Propose! Approach! To Jana! Happy birthday! All right! Don't worry! No sugar! Talaga naman. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin si Daddy Ray! Daddy Ray, dahil po sa inyong kagitingan, kayo ba talagang uhaw lang? O talagang may practice? Daddy Ray, maraming salamat po. Thank you. Palakpakan. Sabi nga ba si Daddy Rudy? Ano na? Okay, alright. Ayan, wow, congratulations sa ating mga macho daddies. Alright, yun kasi beautiful and gorgeous. Siyempre kayo yan. Wala lang po. Dito po kayo tabi ko. Palagpakan niya naman ang mami ni Jana. Male adults, tsaka anim na male adults for this year. Just give them a call kasi dito po sila nakilala. Let's start with the mommy or the tita. Pwede mong mommy rin.
Si Michelle.
Michelle, tita Michelle. Ano na po, okay. Tita, ano naman po? Kukuken. Ninong Rafi, Tito Rafi. Dali po kayo. Ayan, don't be sure, tita, isa na lang. Ay, Ate Ani. Ayan, Ate Ani. Ate Ani. Ate Ani. Ayan. Ako, wala. So, bibigyan ko po yung 5 seconds to choose a team name. Kayo po, anong team name po ninyo? Ha? Ano po ang team name ninyo? Ano po? Spice Girl. Wow! Bagay, banana spice. Okay, alright. Pwede na po yan. Okay. Titas, please go forward. Please look at the audience. Harap po kayo dito. Alright. Ganito po yun. Yung team name nyo po will serve as an attention getter for me. Kaya po kayo may team name kasi pag na-arrange, punin nyo yung sarili para malaman po kung sino unang team na nakapag-arrange naman ng sarili properly. Kapapalak po kayo 3 beses. Alright? After the game, let's start. Arrange yourselves. Ito, game na po ito. Wala nang practice. Arrange yourselves according to the size of your shoes. Go! Go, go, go! Pagkakang po nila. Hindi pa ba nakapag? Okay. Ano po natin? 6 and a half, 5. Ano yun? Sinasabi nyo sila nyo na kaya nag-usap. Kaya dapat ba nag-usap kayo? Kaya pagpalaman nyo. O, tingnan natin. Wala po nga na sila natin. Chance to the smallest going towards the biggest. Okay. Okay, ready. Sige po, banana team. Banana team. Sige po. Size po na shoes. 6. 9. 10. Wow. 10. Opo. 11. Opo. Sir? Okay. 1-0. Okay, nasaan eh. Gusto nyo na-practice na eh. Sabi ko, game na eh. Okay. According to the month you're born, January 7.
March, June, March, ano? March 8, 11. Sabi niyo, 1 plan eh.
Tama, oo. Matalino, parang ako.
June, November.
Ala nyo. Matatalino ito baka nandito. Kasi magti-3-0 na. So, kailangan maka-score kayo. Tita, dito po. 1 straight line, please. 1 straight line. Dapat may gano'n, ha? Alright. I will score. 2. I need to have your surname. A to Z. Surname. Apelido. A to Z. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Kailangan po isigaw ang team name bago mag... Sinigaw ba rin niya? Okay, friend. Talaga naman ako, madali ako masinda. Bigyan na, pagbigyan natin. Okay. Letter A. Letter J. Oy, wala! Hindi na sila.
Asko.
Letter A. C. Letter? Letter T? Ah, C. T pala, di pala pare.
M.
M. M as in?
Manalo.
Manalo. R as in? Parang nag-isip ha? S as in? Sora. Alright, we have a winner. Our winners are the Banana Team! Banana Team, ito po. Alas po sa inyo. Pakibigyan. Ito may prize din kayo. Kahit na zero kayo, meron. Pila para po sa inyo. Para po sa inyo. Para po sa inyo. Para po sa inyo. At para po sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much for joining the Slapper Hands and for the Banana Team. And of course, yung sa kabilang team, yung kabilang team nila. Okay, sige, okay na, okay na. Yung mga iba, pwede po natin pasalihin. Ayan. Mga kids po. Ilan na po ba tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tita, they can join. Para may prize sila. Ha? Yan, tita, sabi ka. Kailangan batiin niyo si Jana ng aking pero yung pinakamaikli. Ayan, okay? Happy birthday lang. Ano lang, okay. Ready? Okay. Ha? Ha? Mahaba? Hindi niya lumangin. Bago na sa pakikili yan eh. Pwede ba yun? Sige, pahabaan na nga lang. Sige, ready? Let's start with you ha. Yung pinakamahaba, happy birthday Jana. Okay, ready? Go!
Happy birthday, Jana.
1. Ready na ba na? Ready? Okay. Ready? Okay, ready ka na? Okay. Okay. Start tayo ha? Okay, ready na? Ayun lang ha? Okay, ready? Set? Teka muna, gano'ng kahaba ba yan? Ang tansyabi mo na ba? Hindi pa na. Teka, wala. Ba't wala? Wala na. Ayan, hoy. Ayan, meron na. Okay, ready?
Happy birthday, Jana.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Wow, galing ha, 26 oh. Oh, matatalo niya ba yung 26? At siya na yung princess. Sige nga, subukan mo talo niya yung 26 na. Ready, set, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 21.
Happy birthday, Jana.
Okay! Okay, ready, 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 ready? Wala pa. Okay, ready, get set, go!
Happy birthday, Jana.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very good, very good. Ha? Pwede. Go!
Happy birthday, Jana.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Parang nabunding ano eh. Parang nag-drown out eh. Okay, alright. Jeremy, ka naman. Ready, get set, go!
Happy birthday, Jana.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Parang nag-drown out. Okay. Ikaw, Ethan. Yan, ha? Kaya mo yan, Ethan, ha? Ready, get set, go! Hindi yung shortest. Okay. Paula. Okay, alright. Sige, ready? Okay. Anong grade mo na? Ha? 6, okay. Ready? Saan ka nag-eskwela? Okay, gusto ko na. Saan nagsama? Curious lang ako. Saan ka nag-eskwela? Ha? Okay, alright. Sige, ready? Saan yan? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Parang kanta yun, ha? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. Ang winner, Ederly! Palakpakan po natin si Ederly! Ederly, wow, double prize for you, ha? Eh, oy, lahat kayo may prize din. Sandali, may prize din. Okay. All right, let's start the music, please. Ryan Horacio! Let's clap our hands so much for the dog. Hello, Debbie. Ayan. Hulaan nyo, ano pangalan ng dog ko? Ha? Jenny? Hindi. Daffy? Hindi. Alright, make a wild guess. Bibigyan pa ng 100 pesos yung makahula. Hindi po. Ha? What? Alex, hindi po. Hindi po mali. 100 pesos sa makakahula. Ha? Opo. Si Tito. Ha? Daffy. Daffy. Ayan. Galing. Mali po kayo. Okay, hindi po. Okay, everybody, you're wrong. Ang pangalan ng dog ko ay... Yes. Kiss mo na. Sarap. One more time. Wow! One more time. Oh! Kumaya pala tayo. I'd like to thank Mami nga pala. Hindi ako dito. Para dito. Come here. Alright? Ang pangalan ko ng dog ko ay... I'm gonna place my dog inside the box. Alright? Inside the table pala. Alright. There you go. Okay. Actually, pangalan daw ko ay Doggy. Hello, Doggy! Ayan, Doggy po ang pangalan niya. Hey, good girl! Stop! Sit! Ang talino to. 1, 2, 3, up! Aba! Good girl! Abuta ka lang. Go! Alright. Basta! Sit! Talino to. 1, 2, 3, up! Aba! Panapakan po natin si Doggy. Thank you very much, Bob. So here, thank you. Wala. Dahil kung mahihiyan eh. Wala. 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 Kita ba? Wala naman eh. Gusto nyo makita yung likod ng table. Say the magic word. Ano kapre? Paano ang kapre? Hindi. Ang magic word ay? Hindi. Yan. Happy birthday. Say the magic word.
Happy birthday!
Ang jack. Sino na yung jack na yan? Okay, alright. You wanna see the back of the table? Oh, nandito ba bakit? Nandito ba ito? Sige, pakita ko. Ready? Huwag kayo kita yung sikreto eh. Sati-sati na lang kung sabihin sa iba ha. Promise? Huwag yung baka pwede yung sa promise, huwag yung kwento ha. Promise? Alright, let's clap our hands for the duck. Palapakan po natin ang duck. Nawala. Okay, alright. You know, all of this magic is making sweat. Sweat. Yeah. I think I'm gonna lie with you. Oh, palakpakan po natin ang duck. Wow! For me? I'm shy. Flowers? Totoo? For me? I'm shy. Can I smell the flowers? Smell good. Let me smell you. It's the colors of the flowers. Ano ang kulay nitong flower na ito? Sige nga, sabihin niyo na mas mabilis. Anong kulay nito? Very good. This one, yeah! This one, yeah! This one, yeah! Where are the flowers? Are the flowers inside the bag? Tignan nyo nga, nandiyan ba sa loob? Both edges over here. I want you to give it a magic. Give it a blow. Oh, the flowers have disappeared. Palapakan po natin ang flowers. Bakit? Kasi nawala. Alright. Gusto nyo bang ibalik yung flowers dito? Nang walang kadaya-daya? Alright, watch close. I'm just gonna snap my fingers like this. Snap! The flowers shall return. Thank you. Shall reappear. Thank you. Andiyan na siya. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Andiyan na. Ha? Andiyan na. Ano ka?
Oo nga, no? I forgot. Kailangan pala takpan ko to. Okay. I'm gonna cover this empty bouquet with my magic cake, alright? I'm gonna cover. And let's count 1, 2, 3. I'm naka-cover. Okay, let's count 1, 2, 3. What? Huh? Okay. Everybody, let's count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3, 5! Let's clap our hands for the flower! The mood to teach magic. Sino gusto matuto mag-magic? That's not mine. Who wants to learn magic? Tita, ilan taon na po kayo? 12? Sino gusto matuto mag-magic? Sino gusto matuto mag-magic? Sino? 7, ikaw. 6, ikaw. 6? 10. Okay, palakpakan natin si Ederlyn. Ederlyn, halika. Okay. Okay, don't be shy, ha? Okay. Iyak ka. Kumparan, ha? Okay. Ilan taon ka na, Ederlyn? Ederlyn, ha? Okay. Ha? Sa kanila, ha? Ha? Paano lang sabihin, ha? Ganyan ba? Ha? Hanta ka na? 10. Kasama? Hindi, kasama ka. Alright. Saan ka nag-aaral? Where do you go to school? Ayan? Saan ka nyo sabihin? Ha? Okay, behind the back tayo kamay mo. Okay, gusto tayo ba dito, ha? Okay. Yan. Okay, tatalo. Tatalo lang. Plus 2. 4 plus 4. Kailangan po natin ang panyo sa audience. Sino bang may panyo sa audience na pwede natin kailangan? Does anybody, preferably sa adult po. Okay lang, saan niyo po binili?
Sa Rustan.
Kailangan ba talaga isigaw? Parang yung sabihin, Rustan sa... Naku nga.
Kayo.
Bakit may UK na katatak? Ukay sabi. Ayan. Teka man, nasa yung panyo ko. Where's my hand? Hold on, I'm just gonna get my handkerchief, ha? Alright. Just gonna get my hand. Oh, sa'yo panyo ko. Dala, ha? Pag-dala panyo ko. Ano ba ito? Dali ka pati?
Huwag niyo makapagod.
Makontra ka. Ayan na, ito. Ayan, alright. Teka mo na, dito yung panya. Gayahin mo lahat muna sasabihin ko, ha? Hello!
Hello.
Hindi, lakasan mo, ha? Okay. Hello!
Hello.
Gusto sumigaw. Okay. Hello!
Hello.
Hi!
Hi.
We
We
are going
are going
to do
to do
magic.
magic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You.
No, you.
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 Me.
Me.
Okay. Alright. Ganito ha, Elderly. Ganyan mo yung kamay mo. Put the other hand down. Alright. Point your finger like this. Point mo. Ayan. Ayan. Commercial. Ayan. Ayan. Very good. Alright. Now point this finger. Alright. And place it under the middle portion of the hand. Lagay mo sa bandang gitna. Very good. Dito okay lang ha. Relax na po ha. You stand. 168. Hindi naman kakala yun. Okay, I want you to cover the top portion. Pull out your hand from down under. Pull it out. Yeah. Now again, I want you to pull out the top portion of the handkerchief. Pull out the top portion. Yung bandang taas. Yeah. Sige, silahin mo lang. Yeah. Very good, very good. Pati pa. Pati pa. Pati pa. Yeah. Alright. Asayin yung lighter. Ayos lang yan. Pabisa-bisa naman eh. Pabisa-bisa magkamali ka. Okay. But nothing
But nothing
is going
is going
to happen
to happen.
to that. Okay, alright. Wala pa eh. Hindi maganda na. Mami, okay lang po, Mami. Di ba, Mami? Okay. Hindi tama yan si Mami. Sino sabi na, hindi masusunog yan? Hindi sunog yan. Parang ito pa, nasusunog lang yan. Ito po, parang kinakabahan ako. Hindi lang, dali ito, susunog ang panyo! Anong gagawin ko? Aba! Aba! Ewan ko!
Ewan ko.
Ako di mo alam, pati na ito. Ederlyn. Gayahin mo yung kamay ko. Ikot mo, ha? Yan, ganyan. Ha? Ay, lumalayo yung kamay mo. Alright, lumalayo. Yun. Yan, sige. Gayahin mo. Ederlyn, point it here. Yan, lagay mo rito, sige. Point it here. Matapos sa sasya. Ganyan ba? Now, push it inside your palm. Sige. Push it inside your palm. Yeah, there it is. Now, I want you to crumple the handkerchief. Crumple it very tight. And place it on top of your head. Harap ka sa kanila. Smile. Alright, now repeat after me, Ederly. And the handkerchief is whole. Ladies and gentlemen, let's count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, ladies and gentlemen, Ederly is the magician. Thank you. Alright, ang susunod naman po nating magic, ito po galing po sa... Wala po. Ikaw talaga. Ayan na, wala. Alright. Ano po? Yan, Aisa. Aisa yan, ha? Aisa? Ha? Ano po? Oh, ganda. Daddy, design? May design? Air condition. Anong nangyari? Anong nangyari? Ewan ko. Ikaw ang may kasalanan. Ikaw ang may kasalanan. Hindi. Ikaw. Ako. Isa na ko, kailangan ito, concentrate tayo. Gusto niyo ba mawala ang sunog? No. Let's do magic. Ito, mahirap po gawin ito. Magic. Ayaw. Di ba, no? Wala na. Ayaw. Sige, gawin natin yung pinaka-madali. Natandaan, mawawala po sunog dito. Ayaw mawala ng ganon-ganon. Halika, hawakan mo to. Okay. Ayan, puputulin mo konti ha, para mawala siya. Kaya huwag po kayo mag-alala. Although first time ko pong ginagawa ito, kaya-kaya. Okay, sabi mo, pag malapit na maputol ha, I'm just gonna cut a small portion, alright? Just gonna cut, okay? Just tell me if it's near, alright? In English, near. Okay. Sabi mo, pag malapit na maputol, kasi first time ko pong ginagawa ito. At medyo hindi ko po kabisado yung kupat. Anong nil? Ano ba sinabi? Ha? Siya yung nil. Si Nil? Sino ba si Nil? Okay. Teka muna. It's okay. Hawakan mo ito pa niyo. Okay. Place it on top of your head. Ederlyn, repeat after me. And the handkerchief is whole again. Everybody, let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Show them. Ladies and gentlemen, Ederlyn the magician. Thank you very much. Ang susunod naman po natin, magic, ito po galing po sa direct from LA. Legazpi Albay. Paano to? Okay, hawakan mo to. It's okay. Anong nangyari? Tinatanong kita. Hindi, ikaw. Mapaganda yan. Okay, alika nito. Huwag kang kabahan, ha? Akong bahala. Ito, kailangan isuot mo ito para pampawala ng nervyos, ha? I want you to wear this. Ito po, this is from my younger brother. Ang pangalan niya Harry. Okay? Mag-wave ka sa kanila. Say hi. Ayan, si Harry. Harry. Oh, Harry Lagman. Okay. Ayan, tingnan natin. Okay, wrong glasses. Okay. Asan ba yung bag ko? Ayan, yung bag ako dito. I have a bag over here. Alright. Punta-punta dito sa mga magaganda dito. Ito. Ayan. Dito sa... Hello. Hi, what is your name? Ben. Tita Ben. Mami Ben. Tita Ben. Alright. How old are you? Oh, wala ako. 18. Tama? Higher? 19. Tita Ben, ito po yung harap. Yung outside, ito po yung loob. Alright? I want you to put your hand inside. There you go. All the way inside. There you go. Hindi po. Mamaya, ibang show po yung putula ng kamay. Alright. Ganyan niyo po. Wiggle. Just to be sure na wala po tayo. Alright. Do you see anything here? Wala naman po. No, nothing inside. Inside out. Wala naman po. Alright. Now, zip up the bag for me. Will you? Zip it up. Paki-zip it up. Thank you. Talapakan po natin si Tita Beth. Thank you, Tita Beth. I'm gonna go back to the stage. Alright. We're gonna place it inside. There you go. And we're gonna place the rest of the handkerchief inside. Tito. And ay, wala ka daya-daya. Tito. Gusto. Okay, we're gonna place it inside. And we're gonna help out again my good friend Ederlin. Say the magic word. Dito ka Ederlin. Alright. The magic word is happy birthday. Jana. Everybody, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Jana!
One more time. This time you finish. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
Alright, now I want you to reach inside the bag and I want you to crumple the handkerchief. Lukutin mo yan. Ilukot na lukot. Then place it on top of your head. Ilukot na lukot. Lokot na lokot. Lokot na lokot na lokot. Okay, place it on top of your head. Lagyan sila ng ulo. Alright, don't let go. Okay, Tito, wala na po naman. Tito, wala naman na ha. Alright, nothing left inside the bag. Alright, now, I want you to repeat after it, alright? And
And
the handkerchief
the handkerchief
is
is
whole
whole
again.
again.
Everybody, let's count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Show them. Ah! Ladies and gentlemen, Ederlin the Magician! Thank you. Wow! It's a miracle! Let me smell. Saan niyo po binili? Amoy na sir na. Okay, thank you very much. Palakpakan mo natin si Daddy Raymond. This one's for you, Ederlin. Thank you very much for being my volunteer. And this one's for you, for lending me your handkerchief. Alright, thank you very much. Alright, Jeremy. Jeremy, halika dito. Let's clap our hands for Jeremy. Ayan, kaya bar, trade ka lang ha? Okay, yun. Turo ba lang doon ha? Sige, hawakan na. Tapos igalan mo lang ha? Ha? Ganun na, ikot mo lang. Tapos, ha? Ano ginagawa? Di ba pinaputol mo? O, kuha tayo bago ha? Ito, last na to ha? Meron pa ba tayo dyan? Okay, ito, last na to. O, puputulin ha? Promise? Basta hawakan mo lang dito ha? Tapos igalan mo. Yan, ang gitna. Ha? O, hawakan mo maigi ha? Ayan, o, dalawang kamay ha? Para hindi maputol. Puputol ulit! Okay, palakpakan po natin si Jeremy. Thank you, Jeremy. This one's for you. Yeah, thank you, ha? Alright. Sige, I think I'm gonna do it myself with my own magic wand. Where's my wand? And I'll tap it here. How many doves do you see inside the cage? We got one dove. Alright, I'm gonna place it inside the box. The silver box. Alright, what is our magic word again? Happy birthday! Jana! Hey! Ho! Alright! Say hi, Rabbit! Bugs Bunny! Would you like to touch the rabbit? There you go. And then, of course, Kids for Castles. My name is Tito Alex, and this is our magic show for this afternoon. Thank you very much, everybody! Yeah, thank you very much sa mga pumapalakpak ko. Salamat. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right, at this point in time, we are not going to have the candle do it. So may I call on the mommy and the daddy, the daddy put us in the stage, si Mommy Ina, to please join us over here, together, of course, with our celebrant. Hello. I'm just going to hold on to the piñata. Hawakan ko na lang po piñata. All right. May I call on si Mommy Ina to please join me over here. She's gonna do the honors. Mommy Ina, kayo na lang po ang we do the honors. Sige, ako na. Ayan. Mommy Ina. Okay, binatali kayo dito. Who wants candies? Who wants chocolates? Okay, there you go. Sige, si Mommy Ina will do the honors. Alright? Okay, ready? Dito po. Yung mga tata, alin kayo. Ayan na. Okay. Ready? Mommy Ina, go! Ah! Good ah. Eyo. Meron pa po. Okay, alright. Hindi naman ka sa ano ah. Alam mo, Alam pangalan to, si Jeremy. Jeremy, kuha ka ng bag. Alright. Alright. Get set. Go! Go! Sa balo ah. Ayan. Okay. Yes. Okay. Ayan. Dito na po sige. Ayan. Galing ah. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Alright. Sige po. Ayan, smile. Smile. Ayan. Good. Ayan. One more. Ayusin ko lang po ha. Ayan, thank you. Daddy, yung kasama pa. Ayan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Now let's clap our hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One last time. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Now you may now blow your candle. Yay! Everybody, let's clap our hands for ayun. Alright. Okay, you may now get the cupcakes. Kids, pwede nyo na po kunin cupcakes. Tsaka po ito, pwede po. Ito, cookie candy. Cookie candies! All the kids! All the kids po. Kids, Hindi pwede. Kita. Kita. Ayan, meron pa. Meron pa po tayong cupcakes, ha? Cupcakes! Sino po? Cupcakes! Cupcakes. Okay, alright. Meron po po dito. Ayan. Kita, cupcake. Alright. Okay. Meron pa po mga cupcakes dito. Meron po pong cupcakes. Mga bata, please line up over here. Dito mga bata. Ayan. It's now time for our servant to give away her loot bags. Ayan. Sige po, line up po kayo. Teka, para dito ako, para kuha ng picture siya na. So ba tayo pipwesto tayo? Dito. Okay. Ayan. Oo na, okay, fine. Okay, dito po. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, ate, yours so. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, meron po tayo. Meron po doon. Ayan. Wow. Wow. Ayan. Ay, sarap naman yan. Candies. Ayan, o. Ayan, kunin niya. Ayan. Ayan, sige ha. Marami pong klase ng loot bags yan ha. Mga ano, 5 kinds of loot bags. And wow, wow naman. Wow, 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 wow. Ayun. Okay, this one's for you. Next one. Next one. All right. There you go. All right. There you go. All right. There you go. All right. Dynamic Impact and of course Kidstar Castles. My name is Tito Alex and we would like to thank each and every one of you for coming over here and spending a precious time with us. Again, maraming salamat po. God bless us all. And we'll see you all again very soon in your party. Thank you very much everybody. Maraming salamat.
That's my